right.
You're in 6th?
Yeah.
How many RPMs are you at?
5,000, like 200.
Alright. I'm about like 45, 45. Okay, go ahead, just floor it.
Floored it.
Keep it floored. Keep it
No
pinned.
torque. Pinned.
Okay. So now downshift to 5th.
Okay.
Let's try it again.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Whenever I see your arm twist, I'll go.
Alright, go. That's 5th.
Okay. Let's try 4th.
Okay.
Get the RPMs up a little bit more. So I'm in 4th. As soon as I see your arm go down, I'll go.
And yep.
Yeah, so you're pulling on me right now.
Yeah.
Why'd you let off?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay,
Why?
go slow back down. Go back to 4th. Because I want to get a good pull on 4th and see what happens. Are you in 4th?
Yep.
Okay, hold on. Let me get up here. Okay. Whenever I see your arm, yep.
Yep.
Dude, you're walking on me.
Yeah. It's because the RPM, the power doesn't come on until like 7,000 or 8,000.
Okay, slow down to like 45 and go into 3rd. Let's see what happens in 3rd. This is a good test because we're on a hill. You know what I mean? We're on a good grade.
Okay. 3rd.
Yeah.
Going 42.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Go.
Oh my god, dude. Did you shift into 4th?
Yeah, I shifted into 4th.
Me too. Dang.
I was hitting red line.
Okay, so how much do you weigh?
Without any gear on, I weigh like 195, and I have a ton of gear on.
So you're over 200. I probably have at least 175 pounds on my bike at least right now with me. Dang, that's crazy, dude. That's crazy right there.
I mean, it makes like 48 horsepower.
Huh?
This bike makes like 48 horsepower.
I thought it was 42.
It's like 42 at the wheels.
Interesting.
It's like, I think it's 48 at the crank. Something like that, 44.
So that bike would be even faster with me on it because I'm lighter.
Well, yeah. Or I could take off my bag that weighs 25 pounds.
I don't know, dude. Might have to go trade this in next winter, next January. Get me a KTM, dude. I'm serious.
Dude, this bike is sick.
Dude, I like all the electronics and all the fancy stuff you have on it. And then the suspension adjustable. And you just pulled on me right now, dude. I'll still get you in the corner, so don't feel all badass and shit.
Yeah.